The elements of fire, Agni, and air, Vayu, a detailed exploration. The elements of fire, Agni, and air, Vayu, hold profound significance in both scientific and philosophical contexts. In Vedic traditions, these elements are considered fundamental forces of nature, governing transformation, energy, and movement. From ancient wisdom to modern physics, their essence is intricately woven into the fabric of existence. This article explores Agni and Vayu sequentially, drawing parallels between Vedic knowledge, physics, biology, and cosmology to present a structured and engaging analysis. 1. The element of fire, Agni, the force of transformation. Fire, or Agni, is a universal force of change and energy. In both ancient and modern thought, it represents transformation, metabolism, and cosmic activity. 1. The Vedic concept of Agni. In the Rig Veda, Agni is a deity of fire, responsible for carrying offerings to the divine and acting as a bridge between the physical and spiritual worlds. Agni is not merely a burning flame, but an energy that pervades existence. 3 forms of Agni in Vedic thought. 1. Terrestrial Agni, fire on earth, the physical fire used for rituals and cooking. 2. Atmospheric Agni, lightning energy in the sky, the electric and energetic power within storms. 3. Celestial Agni, solar energy, cosmic fire, the sun, the ultimate source of life and transformation. 1.2. Fire in modern science, the energy of the universe. Fire is scientifically understood as a chemical reaction involving oxygen and fuel, producing heat and light. However, fire represents more than just combustion. It symbolizes energy transfer, transformation, and radiation. Fire in cosmology, the birth of stars. Stars, including our sun, are vast balls of nuclear fire, where hydrogen atoms undergo nuclear fusion to form helium, releasing immense energy. This process, called stellar nucleosynthesis, is responsible for creating the elements that make up the universe. The Big Bang itself can be seen as the ultimate cosmic Agni, igniting the creation of the cosmos. Fire in biology, the fire of metabolism. The human body has its own internal fire, metabolism, which converts food into energy. The mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell, act like miniature furnaces, breaking down glucose through cellular respiration to produce ATP, the energy currency of life. Agni in Ayurveda. In Ayurveda, digestive fire, Jatharagni, is crucial for health, governing digestion and transformation of food into life energy. 1.3. The symbolic and psychological fire. Fire represents passion, willpower, and drive in human psychology. It is the force behind creativity, destruction, and renewal. In yogic science, Kundalini energy is often symbolized as a fiery serpent, rising through the spine to bring enlightenment. Agni and space exploration, the power of rocketry. The propulsion of rockets relies on controlled fire and combustion, just as ancient fire rituals aim to send energy toward the heavens. Fire fuels humanity's exploration of the cosmos, just as Agni fuels spiritual ascension. 2. The element of air, Vayu, the breath of life and cosmic flow. Air or Vayu represents motion, expansion, and communication. In both ancient wisdom and modern science, air is essential to life, energy flow, and cosmic balance. 1. The Vedic understanding of Vayu. In Hindu philosophy, Vayu is not just physical air, but the life-giving force that moves all things. Vayu as prana, life force. In yogic philosophy, prana, vital life energy, is governed by Vayu. It flows through the body via nadis, energy channels, sustaining consciousness. The 5 forms of Vayu, Pancha Prana. 1. Prana Vayu governs inhalation and energy intake. 2. Apana Vayu governs exhalation and elimination. 3. Samana Vayu governs digestion and distribution of energy. 4. Udana Vayu governs speech, thought, and upward movement. 5. Vyana Vayu governs circulation and expansion. 2.2. Air in modern science, the medium of life and motion. Oxygen, the element of life. Oxygen, a component of air, enables respiration in most life forms. The Earth's atmosphere, a protective layer. The atmosphere protects Earth from cosmic radiation, regulates climate, and enables weather patterns. Air and space science, the winds of the cosmos. Solar winds, streams of charged particles emitted by the sun, influence planetary atmospheres and even affect space weather. Interstellar medium. Just as air allows sound to travel on Earth, plasma waves travel through the vacuum of space, enabling cosmic interactions. Aerodynamics and rocket science, the power of Vayu. Air resistance and fluid dynamics are crucial in rocket launches, aircraft design, and spacecraft maneuvering. Ion propulsion systems in spacecraft function like cosmic breath, pushing charged particles to create thrust. 2.3. The symbolic and psychological power of Vayu air represents freedom, intelligence, and adaptability. In spiritual practices, breath control, pranayama, is a powerful tool for enhancing awareness and energy balance. Vayu and consciousness. The Ajna chakra, third eye, is closely linked to breath control, influencing higher perception and mental clarity. 3. Fire and air. The cosmic dance of energy and motion. Fire and air are deeply interconnected. Without air, fire cannot burn. Without fire, air lacks movement and warmth. Together, they form the foundation of transformation, movement, and existence. 1. Cosmic synergy, the universe in motion. Stars burn, Agni, and emit radiation, which interacts with interstellar gases, Vayu, to shape galaxies. Supernova explosions, cosmic firestorms, disperse elements into space, fueling the formation of new planetary systems. Black holes and accretion disks. The intense gravitational pull of black holes generates high-energy winds and plasma jets, blending fire and air on an extreme scale. 3.2. Human evolution and the balance of Agni Vayu. Technology and civilization. Fire led to technological advancements, metalworking, engines, space travel, while air facilitated movement, sailing, aviation, and communication. Mind and body harmony, balancing internal fire, metabolism, passion, with breath, oxygen, calmness, is crucial for physical and mental well-being. 4. The future, harnessing Agni and Vayu for space exploration. Nuclear fusion technology. Humanity is developing fusion reactors, mimicking the fire of stars for clean energy. AI and quantum communication, using electromagnetic waves, a blend of fire and air concepts, to revolutionize space travel. Terraforming and atmosphere engineering, using fire and air science to modify planetary conditions for human settlement. Conclusion: the eternal cycle of fire and air. Agni, fire, and Vayu, air, are eternal forces governing both our inner and outer worlds. They are at the heart of life, consciousness, and the cosmos itself. From Vedic wisdom to cutting-edge science, their interplay continues to shape our understanding of existence. As we step into the age of interstellar exploration, mastering Agni and Vayu will be crucial for unlocking the universe's secrets and advancing human civilization. The cosmic fire of knowledge and the celestial winds of discovery will guide us toward our next great frontier. As is the fire within, so is the fire in the stars. As is the breath of life, so is the wind that moves the galaxies. The sixth element: human impact, social integration, and practical applications. While exploring space, fire, air, and the vast universe, one essential dimension remains: how these concepts impact humanity on a personal, societal, and global scale. This sixth category integrates science, philosophy, technology, economy, and ethics to bridge knowledge with action. Here, we examine how cosmic principles influence individual growth, society, industries, ethics, sustainability, and the future of humanity. Personal impact and practical applications. 1.1. Individual growth and development. Understanding space, astronomy, fire, and air isn't just about theoretical knowledge. It transforms our perspective and decision-making. Astronomical awareness. Mindset. Studying the vastness of the universe fosters humility and curiosity. Our problems seem smaller in the face of cosmic scale. Physics in daily life: fire, energy conversion, air, fluid dynamics, and gravity affect transportation, weather patterns, and engineering. Cognitive expansion: grasping quantum physics, relativity, and planetary science enhances critical thinking and problem solving. 1.2. Practical tools and strategies. Scientific principles can be applied in daily habits. Optimizing sleep with astronomy. Circadian rhythms align with the Earth's rotation. Understanding planetary movements can improve sleep hygiene and health. Breathwork, Vayu, for mental clarity. Techniques like pranayama, breath control, help regulate stress and increase focus. Fire as energy management. From diet, metabolic fire, to productivity, focused intensity, Agni plays a role in performance and motivation. 1.3. Health and wellness. Space medicine. Research on astronauts' health helps improve treatments for osteoporosis, muscle atrophy, and cardiovascular issues. Fire digestion. Ayurveda connects Agni with gut health. Scientific studies now link digestion with mental well-being, gut-brain axis. Air quality brain function. Poor air quality impairs cognition. Studying planetary atmospheres improves Earth's pollution control. 2. Societal and cultural integration. 2.1. Social constructs and norms. Scientific discoveries shape cultures. Astrology versus astronomy. While ancient civilizations relied on celestial movements for predictions, modern astronomy redefines our understanding of fate and free will. Space exploration as a unifying force. Missions like Apollo 11 and the Mars rover symbolize humanity's collective ambition. 2.2. Education and awareness. Space and STEM education. Programs like NASA's outreach encourage youth to pursue careers in science. Indigenous knowledge. Modern science. Ancient fire rituals, Ayurvedic breathwork, and Vedic astronomy can be integrated into scientific education. 2.3. Global collaboration. International space cooperation. Organizations like ISRO, NASA, and ESA work together on missions like the Artemis Accords and the Lunar Gateway. Climate change agreements. Understanding planetary atmospheres aids in crafting policies for Earth's climate regulation. 3. Economic and political relevance. 3.1. Economic impacts. The space economy. The commercial space sector, SpaceX Blue Origin, is worth hundreds of billions of dollars, creating new industries. AI automation. Advanced robotics and space mining could reshape resource availability on Earth. 3.2. Policy development, space law. Governance. Who owns lunar resources? Ethical questions around space colonization drive international regulations. Energy policies, fire technology. Advancements in nuclear fusion could revolutionize clean energy policies. 3.3. Global inequalities. Access to space technology. While developed nations lead, initiatives like OneWeb and Starlink aim to democratize global internet access. Air pollution disparities. Low-income regions suffer from poor air quality. Studies on Mars' atmosphere inspire new filtration technologies. 4. Environmental and sustainability perspectives. 4.1. Sustainable practices. Space debris sustainability. Defunct satellites threaten Earth's orbit. Organizations are developing space junk removal missions. Fire renewable energy. Advancements in solar energy and fusion reactors provide alternatives to fossil fuels. 4.2. Impact on natural ecosystems. Air pollution, ozone layer. Space-based climate monitoring satellites track pollution and environmental degradation. Terraforming ethics. If we alter Mars, do we disrupt a potential ecosystem? Ethical concerns parallel Earth's environmental struggles. 4.3. Climate change mitigation. Studying Venus climate models. Venus's extreme greenhouse effect offers warnings for Earth's climate future. Fire control, forest management. AI-driven fire prediction models, inspired by astronomy algorithms, help prevent wildfires. 5. Ethical, philosophical, and existential dimensions. 5.1. Ethical implications. AI in space exploration. Should we trust AI to make life-critical space decisions? Exploitation of space resources. Mining asteroids raises moral dilemmas. Who benefits from space wealth? 5.2. Philosophical reflections. Fire as creation destruction. From the Big Bang to black holes, fire represents both genesis and annihilation. Breath consciousness. Can Vayu breath influence cognition? Yogic practices suggest a deep link between oxygen, meditation, and brain function. 5.3. Existential questions. Are we alone? The search for extraterrestrial life redefines humanity's purpose. The end of the universe. Will fire, heat death, or air, cosmic inflation, determine the universe's fate? Future directions in practical applications. 6.1. Shaping future lifestyles. Interplanetary living. Will humans adapt to low gravity, artificial air, and fire-based propulsion on Mars? AI-driven space agriculture. Scientists explore how fire, energy, and air, CO2 levels, impact off-world food production. 6.2. Revolutionizing industries. Healthcare. Zero-gravity medical experiments advance treatments for osteoporosis and muscle loss. Communication. Quantum satellites will transform cybersecurity and global connectivity. 6.3. Resilience and adaptability. Preparing for cosmic disasters. Space weather, solar flares, and asteroid impact mitigation strategies will become vital. Human evolution space. Could prolonged exposure to new planetary conditions alter our DNA and biology? Conclusion. Bridging the universe with humanity. The study of fire, Agni, and air, Vayu, space science, and the cosmos is more than intellectual. It's deeply human. From ancient rituals to cutting-edge technology, our connection to these elements shapes our health, societies, economies, and ethical dilemmas. As we step into a new era of space exploration and planetary colonization, our scientific curiosity, philosophical reflections, and ethical foresight will define our trajectory. Balancing knowledge with responsibility, we hold the power to shape not just our planet's future, but the very destiny of humanity in the cosmos. From the breath of life to the fire of creation, from ancient wisdom to the frontiers of space, our journey is one of discovery, adaptation, and infinite possibilities. Join us on this journey of knowledge, wisdom, and discovery, where learning knows no limits and ignites the soul. Stay curious, stay inspired. If you found value in this, like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to Professor Diaries. Hit the icon for the latest updates and help spread this wisdom to others. This is Professor Diaries, signing off. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing.